Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Joseph Marcus. In this video I want to show you how you can link up your US account with your KDP account, so to start getting paid. Now what you do, which country region do you live, you put on individual. Business type, you click on individual and put on your date of birth. So this is date of birth. Search on date of birth that you want to use. Search on date of birth that you want to use. Okay, put on. Select. So that's that about your date of birth. Then your country of region, you put Nigeria. You put Nigeria. Select Nigeria. So your legal name, this is my legal name. Put on your phone number. Put on your add account number. Select United States. Account holder name. Adidanjuma Isigogo. Put on your account number you select. You put on your routing number. So you say enter your account details. You put then you click on add. This you see you are set up to receive payment for sales across all Amazon marketplace. Now we have add our account number, account details, US account details. You scroll down and click on save. Okay, here we didn't put our address. Put city, put Lagos. Postal code KB. Put Abuja 872101. You can see putting on my postal code. Now what you do, you click on complete task rate, task information. Okay, save and continue. So this is our task information. task information interview, what you would do to remove the 30% rate that Amazon are removing from every person that is receiving royalty. As a Nigerian, let me show you a simple way. No need to call on US citizen to get your TIN number. The network is still booting. Let us wait. Still waiting. Okay, now this is the task information interview. Then you select language. You leave it on English. You leave it on English. Then you select on what is your task classification. You click on individual. You leave it on individual. Are you a US citizen, US permanent resident, green card holder, or US resident alien? You click on no. Click on no. Then continue. Select no. Are you acting as an intermediate agent on the person or the other person receiving payment on behalf of other person? You click on no. Select no. Full name Larry Danjuma Isigogo. Country of citizenship. Country of citizenship. You select on where you are residing. You are residing from Nigeria. Select Nigeria. I'm coming. Select Nigeria. So country of citizenship, then permanent address. Then you edit, click on edit. Instead of Zuru Kebbi State here, permanent address, you select on South Africa. I know many people will be surprised when they hear South Africa. You select on South Africa. South Africa. Select on South Africa. South Africa, because South Africa they are not using. Then you street and number. You put on your street and number. Put on 10th Street. Then your apartment. You put on apartment. Corbin. Then state of province. City or town, you put on Pretoria. Pretoria, then you put on Pretoria again state. Then postal code, you select your postal code. So this is an address from South Africa, you can choose any address from South Africa. You can search on Google to get your address, permanent address from South Africa. If you want to make your task identification information to 0% task rate for Amazon to stop taking your money, 30% of your money, then you click on done. After you put on, then they say here you select on mailing address, same as permanent address. I have a non-US NIN. Then you put on your national ID card NIN number. You put on your NIN number. Then you click on continue. So this is it. They say the selected country qualifies for treaty benefits. Then you click on confirm. You are eligible for the treaty benefits. You see, then you sign and submit. Okay, now what you do here, you click on I certify that I have the capacity to sign for the person identified. Then you select. Then here, signature type. Then you put on the name, your name. Then you save and preview. Then you save. So you will see task information interview here. Okay, this is the information that you fill on the form. You scroll down, you see the information correctly. Then you submit form. You click on submit form. Make changes, submit form. You click on submit form and you submit. You see, validated. Your task information has been received and successfully validated. Applicable withholding rate 0.0%. Then you have finished your interview. You can download the interview if you want. If you don't want, to download, no need. So you come exist in interview. So that's about this video. You can see we have finished everything here. Now what you do, you go back to your we have finished about setting up our account. Thank you. And if this video is you benefited from this video, I would like you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell. See you to my next video. Thank you.